Hey y'all, let's talk about chocolate. There's a common misconception out there that chocolate isn't vegan, but chocolate is actually just made with 3 ingredients: cocoa powder and cocoa butter, which both come from the cocoa plant, and then sugar for sweetness. Milk chocolate usually isn't vegan unless it's made with like oat milk or rice milk or something, but even with dark chocolate, companies love to add things like milk fat, milk powder, and butter fat to make their chocolate creamier. The good news is there are tons of vegan chocolate options out there. Finding vegan chocolate in stores is so much easier than it used to be. Lots of very common store brands have vegan options in their lines. Companies like Simple Truth, Justin's, Endangered Species Chocolate, and XOXO Chocolove have vegan options in their line. Most of their dark chocolates are vegan. Even Reese's and Hershey's have started offering a couple of vegan options here in the US. If a recipe calls for cocoa powder, you are good to go. Just grab any cocoa powder you want from the store. When it comes to dark chocolate, you just want to check the ingredients list for milk products. If you're here in the US, you can check the allergy info, and if it doesn't say contains milk, then you're good to go. Here in the US, if it says may contain or processed in a facility that also processes, those are allergy warnings, so unless you have a dairy allergy, you don't need to worry about it. Finding vegan white chocolate can be a little trickier, but there are brands that have it. These are Enjoy Life chocolate chips, and the brand Lily's also makes vegan white chocolate chips. And you can sometimes find other ones online, so just kind of look around, but you do kind of have to hunt for vegan white chocolate a little bit. Okay, so now that you know how to find vegan chocolate, let's make some super delicious vegan chocolate recipes. Let's start with my vegan chocolate rugelach. If you're new to rugelach, they're these buttery rolled cookies that are common around Jewish holidays, and they can have all kinds of fillings, but I've always loved chocolate rugelach. This is a cookie that I grew up eating, and I am so excited to share this vegan version with you. Up next is my chocolate maca latte. This is like a warm and cozy cocoa adjacent drink that is super easy to make in your blender. Next up are my fudgy swirled matcha brownies. These are basically like a brookie. You've got all of this matcha batter swirled with this fudgy brownie batter, and it is absolutely delicious. If you're a cookie girly, try these crisp, chewy oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Think oatmeal raisin cookies, but with chocolate chips instead of the raisins. You can also make your own chocolate candy at home. First, try these peanut butter bites that are so easy to make. They're peanut butter packed and covered in a rich chocolate coating. You can also use dark chocolate chips to make your own vegan chocolate bars. I really love making these hazelnut crunch bars because they're so easy and fun. All you need is a little silicone chocolate bar mold, and you mix up creamy chocolate with these sweet, crunchy, toasted hazelnut pieces. If you love peanut butter cups and you love cupcakes, try my peanut butter cupcakes. They're moist and fluffy chocolate cupcakes that are topped and filled with this fluffy peanut butter frosting. They are absolutely delicious. you love white chocolate, try my matcha scones. They are packed with white chocolate chips and then covered with this like tangy, sweet strawberry glaze, and they are so, so addictive. You can find all of these recipes linked in the description below, along with a link to a roundup with even more vegan chocolate recipes to try. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about vegan chocolate, but if you have questions that I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!